Namaskar students. In this class, we will start a new chapter, Introduction to Logo. In this chapter, you will get a turtle to move from one place to another to draw the shapes. As you can see in this picture, a turtle is here. Why a turtle is here? Because in logo, turtle is the important part of logo. Now, what is logo? Logo is a computer language, and with the help of logo, we can do the programming. So, if you want to do the programming, that time you can use the logo language. It is very simple language, and with the help of this logo, you can draw the shapes, you can display the text in different formats, like if you want to display any letter, word or sentence, you can display all these things easily with the help of commands. And if you want to do any type of calculations, that time you can do those type of calculations in logo with the help of this programming language. And in the calculation, what will you do? With the help of logo, you can do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and you can also find the remainder. Now, the point is, who developed logo? So, the logo is developed by Seymour Papert. And what is the full form of logo? The full form of logo is language of graphic oriented. So here you came to know about the logo, that what is logo and what can we do with the help of logo. Now I am coming to the features of logo. What are the features of logo? As I told you that with the help of logo we can draw any type of shapes, and we can draw the figures also, and we can draw any type of design using logo commands. And in this logo we are having different commands, so all those commands are very easy to use and learn. Now, as I told you, with the help of logo we can do the calculation work like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and you can find the remainder also. And we can do the logical calculation, like if you want to find the greater, less, less than, or if you want to find that some number, any number is equal to or not equal to, that time you can do such type of logical calculation also in the logo. And as I told you that in the logo we are having one turtle, and with the help of turtle we can draw any type of shapes on the logo screen. Now I am telling you that how to start the logo. We are having two methods to start the logo. The first one is the icon. This icon, you can see here the icon, with you will get this icon on the desktop. So if you are having this icon on the desktop, so by double clicking on this icon you can easily open the logo. Second method is, you can see here on the taskbar. On the taskbar we are having the search box. So when you will type on the search box, just you have to type logo. So when you will type logo, you can see here on the top the logo is coming. When you will click on it, that time the logo window will open. So by writing in the search box you can open the logo. And the second method is by double clicking on the logo icon you can open the logo. Now I am coming to the logo screen. As I told you that when you will click on logo icon or logo option, that time this type of logo window will open. Here you can see this is the logo window, and in this window you are having the two parts. The first one is graphic window and the second one is commander window. The logo screen is divided into two parts. The first one part is graphic window and the second part is commander window. In this graphic window, the top of the bar is called as title bar because this bar shows the title of the software and the icon of the software. You can see here at the left side you are having the logo icon and the name of the logo. So this the bar which shows the name of the software and the icon of the software, that bar is called as title bar. And at the right side of this title bar you will get three buttons. This one button is minimize button, near this maximize button, and the last one is close button. With the help of minimize button you can minimize the logo screen. With the help of maximize button you can increase or decrease the size of the logo screen, and with the help of close button, cross button, you can close the logo screen. Now, in this graphic window, you can see this triangular shape. This triangular shape is called as turtle. And whenever you will write the command, that time this turtle will move in this logo screen. And the center of the graphic window is called as the home. Now, I am coming to the commander window. This is the second box is called as commander window, and the commander window is also divided into two parts, that is recall list box and the command input box or input box. If you want to write any command, that time you can write the command in the input box, and whatever command you will write, that time after pressing the enter key, that command will be displayed in the recall list box. So if I have written 10 commands, so all those commands will be displayed in the recall list box. Now I am showing here the logo screen so that it will be easy for you to understand about logo. Here you can see the logo command. Here you can see that my turtle is coming here. Now I am just telling you about all. This is the title bar. Below the title bar we are having the menu bar. This is the graphic window and this is the commander window. And in this the commander window is divided into two parts. The first one is recall list box and this command input box. And in this command input box we can write the command. As you can see the turtle is having two parts, the head and tail. The upper part of the turtle is called as head and the lower part is called as tail. And whenever we want to do any movement of the turtle will always move from the head side. So now I am just writing one command FD. What is the use of FD command? FD command is used to move forward. FD means forward. So we have to write FD and then space, then I will give some steps. So I am just writing FD, then space, then 100. So when I will press the enter key, you can see my turtle is moving 100 steps forward. And as I have told you that whatever command I will write, it will displayed in the recall list box. So here I am writing the second command. If I want to move my turtle in the right side, that time I have to write the command RT, right turn. I want to turn my turtle in right side, so I will write the command RT, then space, then 90. When I will write this command, my turtle will move or turn in the right side. You can see the face of my turtle or head of my turtle. It is right this time in the right side. Now when I will write FD 50, because I want to draw the rectangle, so I will write FD 50. So now my turtle is moving 50 steps forward. Now again I want to turn my turtle downside, so I will write the command RT90. You can see my turtle is again changing the direction. Now I will write FD100 so that my turtle can move 100 steps forward. Now again I want that my turtle must turn in the right side by 90 degrees. So I have written RT90. Now I will write FD50 to complete my rectangle. So you can see now my rectangle is completed. As you can see here that my rectangle is completed, but this turtle is coming. So if you want to hide this turtle, that time you have to write the command HT. So now my turtle is hide it. If you want to see the turtle, that time you have to write the command ST. When you will write this command, your turtle will be displayed here. And with the help of HT command, your turtle will be hidden. So in this class, we have learned about logo, features of logo, about the logo screen, and few commands like FD forward command, RT right turn for right turn, and ST for showing the turtle, and HT for hiding the turtle. In the next class, we will learn more about logo.